Hello, and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. Today, we will practice English with the shadowing technique. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking. When you shadow, you train your ears and your mouth at the same time. You copy the speaker's rhythm, pronunciation, and natural speed. This helps you sound more fluent and more confident. How to do it? First, listen carefully. Then, repeat at the same time or just after the speaker. Do not stop the audio. Do not translate into your language. Just listen and repeat. If you shadow this story 2 or 3 times, you will notice progress. Your pronunciation will improve, your speaking will feel more natural, your listening will become stronger too. Now, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. This story happens in Istanbul a long time ago. It is a story about love, family, jealousy, and secrets. There is a wealthy man named Adnan. Adnan lives in a beautiful mansion near the Bosphorus. Adnan is a widower. His wife died years ago. He has 2 children. His daughter's name is Nihal. Nihal is sensitive and emotional. She loves her father very much. His son's name is Bülent. Bülent is younger. He is cheerful and active. In the house, there is also a woman named Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle is a French governess. She helps the children. She cares for them like a family member. Adnan's life is calm, but also lonely. One day, Adnan meets a young woman named Beater. Beater is beautiful and proud. She is also confused inside. Beater lives with her mother, Firdevs. Firdevs is fashionable and ambitious. She wants a comfortable life. Firdevs also wants her daughter to marry well. She dreams of wealth and status. Beater feels pressure. She wants love, but she also wants respect. She wants a new life away from her mother's control. Adnan asks Beater to marry him. Beater is surprised. Adnan is older than her. Beater thinks carefully. She sees the mansion. She sees the beautiful life. She sees safety. She also feels something else. She wants to prove something to her mother. She wants to stand strong. Beater says yes. Soon, Beater becomes Adnan's wife. She moves into the mansion. At first, everything looks perfect. The house is elegant. The rooms are bright. The view is amazing. But inside the house, feelings are complicated. Nihal feels nervous. She is afraid of losing her father. She is afraid that Beater will take her place. Mademoiselle watches quietly. She tries to keep peace in the home. Beater tries to be kind. She tries to smile. She tries to be a good stepmother. But Nihal is cold at first. She is polite but distant. Adnan is happy. He feels young again. He believes he has found a new beginning. In the mansion, there is also a young man named Belul. Belul is Adnan's nephew. Belul is charming. He is handsome. He likes fun and attention. He lives close to Adnan's family. He often visits the mansion. He eats dinner there. He talks and jokes with everyone. People like Belul. He is friendly. He makes the house feel lively. At first, Beater and Belul behave normally. They talk politely. They sit with the family. But slowly, something dangerous grows. Belul looks at Beater differently. Beater notices his eyes. She feels uncomfortable, but also curious. Beater tells herself, I am married. She tells herself, this is wrong. But emotions can be strong, and loneliness can be quiet. Adnan is busy sometimes. He trusts Beater completely. He trusts Belul completely. Beater starts to feel trapped between duty and desire. Belul starts to come closer. He finds excuses to speak with her alone. He makes small jokes. He says sweet words. Beater tries to stop it, but she also enjoys the attention. It makes her feel seen. One evening, they are alone in a hallway. The house is quiet. They look at each other. They do not speak for a moment. Then Belul says softly, I can't stop thinking about you. Beater's heart beats faster. She feels afraid. She feels excited. She feels guilty. She whispers, this is impossible. But the secret begins. After that, their meetings continue, not openly, not clearly, but in hidden moments. A look across the room, a short conversation in the garden, a quiet moment near the stairs. Beater starts to live two lives. One life is the wife of Adnan. The other life is a secret with Belul. Every day she smiles at the dinner table. Every day she hides her fear. Nihal begins to change too. She becomes older. She becomes more aware. She watches the adults. She feels tension even if she doesn't understand it. Nihal becomes closer to Belul in a different way. She admires him. She trusts him. Belul enjoys attention, and he enjoys being admired. At some point, people start to talk about Nihal and Belul. Some think they could marry one day. This idea sounds shocking to Beater. It makes her jealous. It makes her angry. It makes her scared. She thinks, is Belul leaving me? She thinks, is he playing with everyone? Beater tries to control her feelings, but she cannot. Belul becomes nervous too. He wants freedom. He wants excitement, but he does not want consequences. He says to Beater, we must be careful. Beater answers, you are the one who came to me. Their relationship becomes heavier. It is not only love, it is fear and pressure. Meanwhile, Ferdaves, Beater's mother, visits the mansion often. She wants to stay close to wealth. She wants to be part of the elegant life. Fair Daves also watches everything. She understands people's faces. She senses hidden emotions. Mademoiselle also feels something is wrong. She sees small signs, a strange silence, a nervous look, a quick step away from someone. But Mademoiselle has no proof, only a feeling. Time passes and tension grows. One day, Nihal hears something, maybe a sentence, maybe a whisper, maybe she sees a look that is too long. Nihal feels pain. She feels confusion. She starts to suspect that Beater is hiding something. Nihal becomes sick with sadness. She cries more. She becomes weak. Adnan worries about his daughter. He tries to help her. He tries to protect her. Beater feels trapped. She is jealous of Nihal. Then she feels guilty for being jealous. Then she feels angry at herself. Belul starts to pull away. He feels the danger is too close. Beater feels alone again. She wants love. She wants safety, but she has created a storm. Then the secret begins to break. One evening there is tension in the house. Voices rise. Someone asks a question. Beater realizes that the truth is close. She looks at Belul. He looks away. Beater understands something painful. Belul may not protect her. He may not stay. Beater feels shame. She feels fear. She feels regret. She thinks about Adnan. He trusted her. He gave her respect. He gave her a home. She thinks about Nihal, a young girl with a soft heart. Beater cannot carry the weight anymore. She goes to her room. The house is silent. The Bosphorus is outside, calm and dark. Beater looks in the mirror. She sees her own eyes. She sees how tired she is. She whispers, "I destroyed everything." The next moment is the end of her story. After that, the mansion changes forever. The light feels different. The laughter disappears. Adnan is broken. Nihal is broken. Belul leaves the house. He cannot face the truth. He cannot face the pain. Mademoiselle stays. She supports the children. She keeps the home together